Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina, and today I wanted to do a video for you on how I maintain my box braids and how I get maximum moisture and maximum growth out of my box braids.
Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.
But before we get started, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you have any questions about anything that I say in this video, please leave it below in the comment section. So we all know that healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. And so for me, I like to make sure that I am cleansing my scalp each week, okay? Each week with apple cider vinegar and or like a moisturizing shampoo. And also it's been about 3 weeks since I did a tea rinse, so I'm going to also incorporate a tea rinse into this routine today, and then I'm going to tie it all up with AloeVeraJuice. Start off by using the apple cider vinegar. I do like to put it in an applicator that has like a little pointy tip on the end, so I can just get straight to my scalp and make sure I am not moisturizing, make sure I am cleansing my scalp properly. Also, another thing that I'm going to do in this video that I normally don't do is also put a little bit of moisturizing shampoo on my scalp also to cleanse it, because it's been a couple of weeks since I cleansed my scalp, and I just want to make sure that everything that I've done over the last couple of weeks, like adding oils and like conditioners, like leave-in conditioners, I want to make sure that I am getting all of that product off of my scalp. So I'm just going to do like a double cleanse. Then I'm going to follow it up with a tea rinse. I got my black tea here all ready to go, and tea rinses are really good for stopping your hair from shedding so much. I did a video on it. I'll link it up here. Go check it out so you can get a little bit more information on tea rinses. But I like to do a tea rinse when I am in a protective style, because when you take the protective style out, you have so much shed hair, and I want to like combat that and see less shedding hair when I take my protective style out. All right, so I just rinsed out just a little bit of the tea rinse because I wanted to go in with the deep conditioning process with the tea rinse in there still. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this peppermint tea tree from Eden Body Works. I'm just gonna pretty much put a little bit. I'm not gonna put too much because I don't want the product to get like jammed inside of the braids, and then it just, you know, just be more product buildup and all of that. So I'm just gonna put a little on my scalp. This is how you're gonna maximize moisture, hair retention, and growth while under your box braid. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the AloeVeraJuice, and I make sure I get that scalp with the AloeVeraJuice. Make sure you're getting the scalp. Let me tell you, I'm telling you, my hair is already, my scalp should I say, is feeling so rejuvenated, so good. I love doing this process to my hair whenever I have box braids. Now, this is not gonna always work under every protective style, but box braids or braids, anything that you can get to your scalp and still maintain the integrity of the hairstyle, I'm gonna do this process, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more conditioner around my edges, front and back. just on the top portion of my hair, just to keep the heat in. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. Now I am about to turn my steamer on and start doing the LCO method to moisturize and get that moisture penetrated into my hair strands and my scalp. I'm going to be using the L is for liquid, and I'm going to be using this Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil water. I did put a little bit of AloeVeraJuice in here also, so I will be using that. And then for the cream or the conditioner or leave-in conditioner, I am going to be using this Mael leave-in conditioner. It says it's for all hair types. It's sulfate free and color safe. This is a really light base leave-in conditioner, almost like a milk. Okay, so I'm going to be using this also, and then I'm going to follow it up with some organic olive oil, and I put it in this here. So this has organic olive oil and peppermint oil in it. So the olive oil is really good for moisturizing, and the peppermint essential oil is really good to penetrate your scalp for maximum hair growth. All right, so now that I have everything nice and moisturized, my hair and my scalp feels so good, so amazing. I can feel that peppermint still just tingling my scalp. My hair feels nice and fresh. My scalp feels nice and fresh. Now it's time to style it. And pretty much all I'm gonna do is do my baby hairs, lay that down, and then I'm gonna put some mousse on my hair and tie it down, and then I will be right back with my final thoughts. All right, so it's been about more like 30 minutes, but I am back. Let's go ahead and look at these results. Let me test. Look at that. Beautiful. Feels really good, feels very hydrated. My hair feels very good. I can feel the peppermint still tingling on my scalp. My hair feels very, very, very moisturized. I am so happy. So this is what I do weekly or every 2 weeks when I am in a protective style, preferably box braids. There are a couple of other things that I do like to do throughout the week, and that is scalp massages with hair oils. And some of the hair oils that I love to use is organic olive oil. I also like Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. This has biotin, and it has rosemary, it has peppermint oil, it has tea tree, it has coconut oil, it has aloe vera oil in here. This has a lot of oils in it that rejuvenates your hair, that rejuvenates your scalp, which promotes hair growth. That's why I love using this. It's very lightweight, so it won't clog your pores, but it definitely gets the job done. Another favorite that I do like is this Main Choice. Their hair growth oil is really good. I like this one. This one is really good for moisturizing. It's a moisturizing oil. Pretty much it seals the hair so your hair can hold moisture. One of the big ingredients in this is also biotin. That right there is going to aid in the hair growth. So those are some of my hair oils that I love to use when I am massaging my scalp. All right, so those are the things that I do to keep my hair moisturize and maintain under my protective style. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And as always, remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.